Welcome students. This is the continuation of motion chapter. In this class we are going to learn about equations of motion. Equations of motion. Newton studied the motion of an object and gave a set of three equations. These equations relate displacement, velocity, acceleration and time of an object under motion. An object in motion with initial velocity u attains a final velocity v in time t due to acceleration a and reaches a distance s. Three equations can be written for this motion. V is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So these are the three equations of motions. Let us try to derive these equations by graphical method. In this figure, the change in velocity with the time for an uniformly accelerated object. The object starts from the point D in the graph with velocity u. Its velocity keeps increasing and after time t, it reaches the point B on the graph. The object starts from the point D. Its velocity keeps increasing and after time t, it reaches the point B. The initial velocity of the object u, that is OD, is equal to EA. Then the final velocity of the object V is equal to OC is equal to EB. From the graph, the initial velocity of the object u, that is OD, is equal to EA. The final velocity of the object V, OC, is equal to EB. Here time is t, that is OE is equal to BA or CB. So from the graph we know that AB is equal to DC or CD. AB is equal to DC. By definition, we know that what is acceleration? Change in velocity in unit time. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. So change in velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity by time. So here final velocity from the graph is OC minus initial velocity OD. OC is final velocity, OD is initial velocity. So final velocity minus initial velocity, OC minus OD divided by time. Here time is OE. So OC minus OD, we get DC by OE. So here acceleration A is equal to DC divided by T. So what is DC? DC is equal to AT. So here we know that DC is equal to AB. So from the graph, EB is equal to EA plus AB. So EB is V. EB, that is OC is equal to V. So OC is equal to EB. So EB is equal to V. Then EA is equal to OD, that is initial velocity u, plus AB is equal to So from this we know AB is equal to AT. So AT. So this is the first equation of motion, that is V is equal to U plus AT. Second equation of motion. From the graph, the distance covered by the object during time t is given by the area of quadrangle DOEB. So this is the quadrangle, rectangle plus triangle. So S is equal to, that is distance covered by the object during time t, is equal to area of quadrangle DOEB. So quadrangle means rectangle plus triangle. So area of rectangle DOEA, rectangle, plus area of the triangle DAB. So we know that formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. So in this rectangle DOEA, length is AE, then breadth is OE. So AE into OE. Then this plus area of the triangle DAB. Formula for area of the triangle is half into breadth into height. So here half into AB is the height, then DA is the breadth. So half into AB into DA. So here we know that AE is equal to U. So U. Then OE is equal to T. So UT plus half AB is, this AB is equal to, so before in the first equation we know that DC is equal to AB is equal to AT. So here instead of AB we are writing AT, then DA. So here DA is T. OE is equal to DA, so OE is T, so DA also T. So AB AT, then DA T, so AT square. So S is equal to UT plus half AT square. So this is the second equation of motion. Third equation of motion. We see that the distance covered by the object during time t is given by the area of the quadrangle DOEB. Here DOEB is a trapezium. So S is equal to area of trapezium DOEB. So what is the formula for area of trapezium is half into sum of length of parallel side. So here in this trapezium, parallel sides are OD and EB. So sum of length of parallel sides into distance between the parallel sides. So distance between the parallel side is OE. So half into sum of length of parallel side OD plus EB or BE into distance between parallel side, that is OE. So S is equal to half into, so here OD is U, initial velocity, so U, into BE is V, final velocity, into OE is equal to time T. So since we know that A is equal to V minus U by T, acceleration is equal to change in velocity by time. So from this T is equal to V minus U by A. So we substitute this value in T. So S is equal to half into V plus U, that is U plus V is equal to written as V plus U into, instead of T we substitute this value V minus U by A. So from this we get 2AS is equal to V square minus U square, because V plus U into V minus A a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. So v plus u into v minus u gives v square minus u square. So this a into 2a s. So v square is equal to u square plus 2as. So this is the third equation of motion. So students, hope you all understood about the three equation of motion derived from the graphical method. Thank you.